This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow.
If you're receiving this, you've been in a coma for almost 20 years. We don't know if this will end up in your dream. This is not real, you're living in your mind. Please wake up.
If you feel something, we're hugging you. We miss you. We love you. They're currently hugging. They miss you. They love you. Wake up. Please.